The gift of life is such a generous offer to individuals that you don't even know. It's an opportunity to allow your legacy to live on through someone else. It's the most selfless and unselfish thing that any individual could do, is to offer to allow someone else to live on through your loss. Many lives have been enhanced or saved through the art of donation here at Phelps Health. My story is very unique about organ and tissue donation. I've been a nurse since 1991, and I've never really given much thought to the art of donation. And my dad had a devastating, unknown result of a cardiac surgery in 1994, and we were devastated with the loss of him. We weren't ready to say goodbye. We hadn't even really thought about saying goodbye. It happened in a larger city, and their approach was less than optimal, and he'd just been through so much. And so when they came into the room and they said, well, we're going to do an autopsy, and we want to know if you want to give any of his organs. And it was just so nonchalantly like that. There was no compassion to it. There was no allowing us to understand why it was so important. And my response to them was, no, you're not going to cut him apart and do an autopsy for the obvious, and you're sure as heck not going to take any of his organs. And I see how compassionate I am about it now, and it's really a big struggle for me to know that I was so negative about something that was so glorious and such a life changer for so many, that I wish I could rewind time. I wish I could say, absolutely, give everything that you can give, because he was a given man. It just wasn't, the timing was so bad because we were so hurt and we didn't expect it, that we never talked about organ donation in our family before. We never talked about Dad dying in our family before. We didn't expect a sudden heart attack, in a barn lot would change our lives forever. My own personal experience has been the fire behind my drive to let everyone know about donation. It's okay to say yes. It's okay to have that conversation. We frequently have it in my family now. It's not uncommon for it to be a Thanksgiving topic. I want to know what your desire is, and I want others to know what my desire is. What a greater gift could I give than to give a young mother the ability to chase her children, or the ability to hear or see, or somebody that can't see colors to see how beautiful some of our sunsets are, or the ability for that person to hear music for the first time. I want to be able to leave that legacy, and I want to make sure that everyone around me knows that they have that opportunity to leave that legacy as well. That's what it's about, loving each other, giving the gift, and allowing others the opportunity to live through the gift of life.